Makakausap natin ngayon, DPWH Secretary Manuel Bonoan. Magandang gabi, Secretary Bonoan.
Magandang gabi po sa atin at maganda po sa mga taga-subaybay po natin. Salamat po for
Opo,
the opportunity.
Kailan po matatapos itong rehabilitasyon ng San Juanico Bridge? Kasi nagdudulot na raw po ito ng economic crisis ayon kay Congressman Asidre.
Yes po, I think we are just going to do some temporary retrofitting and rehabilitation in the next few months actually because in order that we can increase the load limit that we have imposed so far on the bridge. Kasi unfortunately, we did not expect that this situation will come too soon. No? Although the total rehabilitation of San Juanico Bridge was already anticipated, but we did not expect that it came too soon because ito na nga yung when the consultants who made the assessment on some of the yung mga segments of the bridge, they recommended actually for the closure of the bridge. And this is the reason why it was a collegial decision of the department that we have to impose actually yung load limit for the time being.
Ayun.
Because we did not want to put yung mga motorist in a dangerous situation.
Correct.
Hindi ho namin po pwedeng
So
i-compromise po yung situation nila.
sa kasalukuyan po niyang kondisyon, Secretary, kapag nagkaroon ng lindol, can it withstand a certain seismic number pagdating sa lindol?
For now, it's there are segments in the bridge structure that may not be able to withstand actually ho yung mga high intensity earthquake, no? Actually, if you like, po, itong San Juanico Bridge is more than 50 years old. We anticipated that it will have to undergo major rehabilitation works, and this is the reason why a new bridge is in the making na. A new bridge nearby is in the making. So ang plano ho nito is actually when the new bridge will be completed, then the existing bridge will have to be closed and
Kailan po
ito na
matatapos
gagawin niya.
yon? Yung isang,
Ah,
opo, kailan po
ah,
matatapos?
ang estimate po nito is actually sometime in 2030, 2031 po.
Ay, 2031. Okay.
Yes
I
po.
suppose the rehabilitation of San Juanico, mauuna na po doon. Tama po ba?
Well, ito na nga po yung pa namin. For the interim, we will do some retrofitting so that yung mga yung identified na weak segments will have to be retrofitted so that it will carry yung additional load limit from let's say 10 to 12 tons muna while waiting for the completion of the new bridge po.
Ang sabi po ni Mayor Alfred Romualdez, from 800 million pesos, ito po'y lumobo to 7 billion without transparency. Tama po ba siya?
I don't know where the figure came from po. Actually kasi I don't think we have estimated actually as of now kasi the total rehabilitation of the bridge is still under assessment and yun po yung alam namin yung retrofitting works lang muna yung gagawin po namin for the time being po.
Maiba po tayo, huling tanong na lang po, sa EDSA rebuild naman na sinuspindi muna ng Pangulo, ano na po ang plano? Paano po mapapabilis itong total makeover o may balak pa ba siyang tapusin ito during his term?
Well, temporarily, I think it was put on hold because the president wants us actually to see if to see if we can expedite the implementation of the EDSA rebuild. Kasi yung initial na program namin is actually for 2 years. Uh, Partly because of the extent and the magnitude of the works that have to be done involving about 250 lane kilometers, 250 lane kilometers po, mahaba. And the work to be done is actually to replace the entire pavement sana. So,
So
at
hindi
any
po
rate, I think
hindi po mapapaikli yung panahon.
well, we are in the process now of looking at the yung mga international practices and materials that can be used actually to expedite the process. The other thing that kwan ho namin dito why we have projected for 2 years is because of the budgeting season, no. The what we have budgeted for 2027, I'm sorry, for 2025 is only for the southbound. And then, of course, the budget year for 2026 would be on the northbound. But if we have all the funds now, actually, I think we can expedite all the processes po.
Okay, kami po'y makikibalita sa inyo on what's the latest on that dahil lahat po tayo ay apektado niyan. Maraming salamat, DPWH Secretary Manuel Bonoan.